Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today's our topic is law of exponent. In our last lecture we have done with law first and second. Today we will start with law fourth. Law third we will do later on. So law fourth is if x is non-zero rational number then x की पावर 0 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 मीन्स अगर कोई रैशनल नंबर है नॉन ज़ीरो है, नॉन ज़ीरो मतलब वो ज़ीरो के इक्वल नहीं है, तो अगर हम उस रैशनल नंबर की पावर 0 करें तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी, इक्वल्स टू 1. फॉर एग्जाम्पल let us take any rational number, say 3/7. When we raise it to the power 0, its value is equals to 1. Now one question arises in your mind, why it is equals to 1? So let us see 3/7 to the power 0 is equals to 3/7. Now we can write 0 as 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3 and so on. यानी कि कोई भी नंबर हम ले सकते हैं. अगर सेम नंबर ही सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो 0 आएगा. सपोज आई टेक 2 minus 2. So 3/7 to the power 0 is equal to 3/7 2 minus 2. Now using law second of exponent, we can write it as 3/7 to the power 2 divided by 3/7 to the power 2. Because you know when the base is same, we subtract the power when there is division sign. So we can write 2 minus 2 as this. Now it is equals to 9/49 divided by 9/49. Now when we divide a number by itself, we got the result as 1. This we have done in properties of division of rational number in unit 2. So when we divide 9/49 by 9/49, it is equals to 1. So we can relate 3/7 to the power 0 is equals to 1. So this result is true for any rational number x, and when we raise it to the power 0 it is equals to 1. This is law 4. Now law 5th, if x be any non-zero rational number and m and n are positive integers, then x की power m and whole to the power n is equals to, we write the base and just multiply the exponents, and m multiply n can be written as mn. So x की power m to the power n is equals to x to the power m n. For example, let us take any rational number, say 3/7 to the power 2, again raised to power 3. It is equals to 3/7. 2 3s are 6. How? First of all we solve the outer part. So 3/7 की पावर 2 3 टाइम्स है, सो हम 3 टाइम्स इसको राइट डाउन करेंगे. Now using law first of exponents, base is same, we just add the powers. It is equals to 3/7 to the power 6. The same result. Now let us solve some questions of worksheet 4. Question number 2 is simplify and express the result in exponential form. First one is 9 upon 2 raised to power 0 and then raised to power 5. Now using law of fifth, we just multiply the powers. It is equals to 9 upon 2 raised to power 0. We have to express the result in exponential form, यानी कि पावर में शो करना है. So this is our final answer. Now part fourth, minus 2 upon 5 to the power 3 multiply by minus 2 upon 5 to the power 4 and the whole raised to power 4. First of all, we solve the bracket. Base is same, so use law first. Just add the powers. Three and 2 5 and then raised to power 4. Now use law fifth. Just multiply the powers. 5 4s are 20. So minus 2 upon 5 to the power 20 is our answer. Now question number 4 is evaluate or find the value of. Part 1 is 5 upon 7 raised to power 3 multiplied 2 minus 6. So first of all, we will solve the power using BODMAS rule. We will solve multiplication, then subtraction. 3 2s are 6 minus 6. 5 upon 7 to the power 0. Now using law fourth, when a rational number is raised to power 0, it is equals to 1. So 1 is our answer. Now part second is 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0 multiply by 5 to the power 0. First of all, solve the round bracket using law fourth. 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 4 to the power 0 is also equals to 1 multiply by 5 to the power 0 is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 multiply by 1. 2 1s are 2. So 2 is our answer. Now question number 5 is find value of x so that 3 upon 4 to the power 2x plus 1 is equals to 3 upon 4 to the power 3 raised to the power 3. First of all, 3 upon 4 to the power 2x plus 1 is equals to 3 upon 4 to the power 9 because 3 3s are 9. Now you can see these two rational numbers are equal. Base is same, so exponents must be same. यहाँ पे जो रैशनल नंबर्स हैं वो हमें इक्वल गिवन है, इक्वालिटी का साइन है. तो अगर रैशनल नंबर्स इक्वल हैं, उनका बेस भी सेम है, तो एक्सपोनेंट्स भी सेम होने चाहिए. सिंस बेस इज सेम, सो एक्सपोनेंट्स मस्ट बी इक्वल. अगर एक्सपोनेंट्स इक्वल होंगे दैट मीन्स 2x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 9. 2x इज इक्वल्स टू 9 माइनस 1. 2x is equals to 8, so x is equals to 8 upon 2, x is equals to 4, so value of x is 4. Similarly, you can solve all the parts of question number 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6 on your notebooks. Thank you and have a nice day.